everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Trina and this is Decorate Made Easy. I just want to say thank you for all of my returning subscribers. I appreciate all your love and support, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel. Today I just want to show you guys my little DIY coffee station setup that I have here for the holiday season. It's nothing special, but I did try to put something together so that when people come over and want some coffee or tea or cocoa, we have just a little setup ready for them so that they can enjoy a nice beverage. So we'll start on this side. This side here, I just have my Keurig here that brews coffee, that actually brews tea. So I have that here, and then I also have just some plain white cups here to the side so that guests can use at their own discretion. Then over here, I have this cute little sign that I purchased from Amazon. It was like $14.99 on Amazon, and the company actually will engrave your name on the sign as well for free. So I think all in all with shipping and everything, I think it ended up being like $20 for the sign, which I think is like so cute, so adorable, and I just had to have it to go above my little coffee station. It's so cute. Then what I did next was I put a little Christmas tree there for the holiday. You know, my theme this year is gold, silver, and white. So I just kind of put like a little cute little Christmas tree there to kind of give it a Christmas flair or whatever. Then in the back, I just have one of my snowman mugs there, and I just put some decorative straws in there just to stir. There are like recyclable paper straws that I have there that you can just stir your coffee with and everything. I think they're so cute. They come in different colors. They come in gold, pink. They come in gold, pink stripe, and then they also have like gold and white hearts, and then they have like pink and white stars, and then pink and white hearts. I thought that was just like so adorable and so cute. So I absolutely love that. And then here at the bottom, I have this little sugar bowl, and this actually came in a set. So I got this sugar bowl here that says sweet thing on there, and then also came with the little spoon, little decorative spoon there. Like, let me just take it off. Like the little decorative spoon says sugar baby on there, which I thought was too cute. So it has a decorative spoon, and it also came with a little creamer cup. So the creamer cup is on this side, and it just says lighten up. And I thought that was so cute, so adorable. And again, I purchased that from Amazon. I think the whole set for the creamer bowl, and then the sugar bowl with the spoon was only like $28. So I thought it was a really, really good deal. So I thought that was super cute, super adorable. And then I just put my, obviously I have my sugar in there, and then this creamer, I always put me whatever kind of flavored creamers that I'm using throughout the season. I have some flavored creamers in there, and I also have some liquid creamer in the fridge, like peppermint kind and all that in there too, if guests wants that. So that's that. Then on the side here, I have just some Nestle instant cocoa that I have here on the side. I just kind of have it in one of these little organizer bins there. Just kind of like I spray painted teal to kind of match my Keurig and everything. And it's just some instant cocoa, whatever, because the kids like to make hot cocoa and everything. So I got those ready for them to use. And then in the back, I also have this little, let me see if I can take it out of here. I also have this little snowman coffee cup with some cute little candy canes in there. Some peppermint candy cane, because everybody loves to mix their candy cane with like to flavor their cocoa with their candy cane. So I have those. And then right here I have my little cloche, or little small cake stand or cloche or whatever. And usually I usually try to keep some little fresh baked goodies in there. Like I recently had some Santa cookies in there, but the kids ate all the Santa cookies, so I just kind of stuck this little Grand Ferrero Rocher in there because it was already kind of like gift wrapped with the gold and white, which matches my theme, and I just thought that was so cute, and I think it looks super adorable in my little cake stand. So I added that there, and then I have just everything sitting on this little cream tray that I got from like Hobby Lobby. And then in the inside, I just kind of added like some Christmas decoration, like fillers or whatever, like some little pine cones, and have some little ornaments in there, and then some nice little white little I guess, little flowers in there, and then some sprig of greenery. I just kind of added in there just for some decorations. Then over here, I have me another little cake stand that I usually have in my kitchen. Usually I have my hand soap and everything sitting on there, but I kind of changed that out. So now I just have these little cute canisters that I have purchased from Home Goods, and I believe they were only $7.99 a piece at Home Goods, and it matches my theme. It has like this wooden bamboo top, and then it has like the gold and silver inside the canisters, which I think is super cute and super adorable. And then each canister, I have my K-cups in here, and then I have some extra tea in here to kind of house that. And then in the back, I just kind of have my have another little serving container with some teas, some additional teas available. This is kind of like flavored tea, so I have those in there. Then I have some little honey spoons here to kind of stir their tea with. And then I just kind of found this cute little top hat ornament. I didn't put it on my tree, but I thought it was super cute and super adorable to kind of put on your coffee station. And then I just kind of added like a little bottle brush tree there for decoration. And there you go. There's my little DIY coffee station that I think turned out so cute, so adorable, and I absolutely love it. So now that when people come over, they can get a fresh cup of coffee or tea or cocoa, and they can be all set. Because here we have, mainly I'm in my house, I'm the only one that really drinks the coffee, but my husband and my kids, they like the hot cocoa, and then they like the tea as well. So I have that kind of set up for them. So when people come over, they have something to, they have a little nice little station with multiple beverages, so they can enjoy a nice drink. So that's it. But I thank you guys for all your love and support. I thank you so very much for watching my channel and subscribing to me. And to all of my new subscribers, I hope you will join our decorating team, and make sure you hit your notification bell so that you guys know when I upload another video. And until then, happy holidays, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!